Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to remove an element from a list based on index position. For example, we have a list of integers and we want to remove the third element from this list, that is 33. Now indexing in Python starts from 0. So the index position of first element is 0, the index position of second element is 1 and the index position of third element is 2. So now we want to remove the element based on the index position. So suppose our index is 2. Now list provides a function pop. It accepts an optional argument, that is the index position of an element that we want to remove. For example, we want to remove the third element, so we will pass the index position 2. This pop function will remove the element at the given index position and it will also return that. So suppose if we call the print function and pass the list into it, we can see that the third element from the list has been removed, that is the element with value 33. So this argument in this pop function is an optional argument. If we don't pass any argument into it, it will basically remove the last element. Like here, it removed the last value 66. But there is another important point here. If we provide an index position that does not exist in the list, suppose 22, so that is more than the number of elements in the list. In that case, it will raise an error. Let's run this code. So it raises an index error because the provided index is greater than the number of elements. So before calling the pop function, we should always check if index is less than the size of the list or not. So list does not have any size function. So what we will call? We will call the length and pass the list. And if the given index position is less than the size of the list, it means that it's a valid index position. Now if we run this code, so we can see it didn't deleted anything because the given index position is out of range and it got confirmed in this if condition, so we didn't call the pop function. But if we provide an index position, say 3, it will remove the fourth element from the list. Like here, after 33 it was 11, but now it's been removed. So this way we can remove an element from a list based on the index position using the pop function. Now there is another function which we can use, that is del. Here we can pass the index. So let's see what it does. It will also remove the element at the given index position. Like here, the value 11 has been removed. But what if the index position is out of range, like 33? Now if we run this code, it will also raise an index error. So similarly, we need to check here also. So we can copy this line, say Control Z, and here. So if we provide an index position that is out of range, it should get caught in this if condition and we can skip the index error. So this way we avoided getting the index error exception. So these are the two ways to remove an element from a list based on index position. First one is using the pop function and second one is using the del command. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button.